Sekhala eSkadukwana eFree State. Emva kokuba undingasebeni iminyaka kulandela ukulaxazwa owayengumndunankulu walesi sifundazwe eSmagashule, uDukwana uthi ukuqokwa kwakhe kulesi sikhundla kusho ukuqala kabusha.
They need to be connected first before things happen. So we need to deal with that first. It could be true, it could not be true. But we need to deal with that perception and make sure that everybody must feel free.
We have no doubt that Comrade Dukwana is such a cadre, a product of struggle and a product of his own people's struggles. Possesses clarity of thought and ability to articulate and implement the ANC policy under all circumstances.
Amaqembu aphikisayo kulesi sifundazwe ayangabaza ukuthi sizolunga izinto. I-DA ithi ANC imaqembu kakhulu kulesi sifundazwe ukuthi ngaletha uzinzo noshintsho.
There's a lot of internal conflict within the ANC in the run-up to the election in 2024, but we know what the issues are.
I-EFF yona ithi sazoke imbhekisise kahle uDukwana ukuthi uza naluphi ushintsho okwamanje.
For a while we are willing to cut this man some slack, but he better treat our people with respect.
Kani FF Plus yona ithi uDukwana akahlukile nje kakhulu kwabanye abaholi beANC aseke baphatha eFree State ngaphambilini.
There is no such a thing as a good or a better faction in the ANC. Ultimately, the only way to save this province is to get rid of the ANC in the next election.
Kulindeleke ukuba uDukwana aguqule ikhabhinethi khona ezofaka awakhe amalungu, kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuba enze njalo uzoqala athule inkulumo ebhekiswe esifundazweni ngoLwesibili.